Girlfriend, if you wanna know what's popping with me, hey, I got the hair and I'm popping, baby. Hey, that was a freestyle, so you know I'm gay. Oh, no, I'm gay, but that has nothing to do with my freestyle. Okay, popping girl. Happy, that is, or sexually. But is it your business? Is it your business? I'm asking you a question. You tell me, is it your business?
The type of money you gon' need to buy. From the hood, this type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in a fight. Big bank, tight, low bank. Big bank, tight, low bank.
What is up, guys? It's your homegirl next door, Little Lore, and welcome to my room. If you've been over before, then welcome back. And if it's your first time coming over, I hope you subscribe, sis. And I hope you join the party. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good. You're doing good, because I'm doing good too, girl. How's your day? Poppin'? Should poppin'. Okay, good girl. As you can see, I've got this poppin', should poppin' hair. I'm obsessed with this hair because it's so, okay, let me stop. The hair that I'm wearing is from Nadula hair. I'm in love with this company. I have a new fave company now because their customer service #1 was A1. The time it took for this hair to get to me was so quick. The shipping was amazing, and not only that, but the hair quality is just bomb.com. I think in order for me to dye this color, I dyed it once and then I toned it. I would say it's still very golden. It's not like an ashy blonde, which is great because I wasn't going for a blonde color. I was definitely going for more of a brown this time around, and I think I've achieved it. I'm still playing with color and getting to know coloring and everything like that, but I think I did a pretty okay job. I got that light streak in the front, you know what I mean, and then like the darker roots lighter back here, and just dimension. The lengths that I have are 224s, 222s, and 18-inch frontal. I will leave the details down below. It's straight hair. So this is the box that it came in. It just says Nadula. Nice packaging, and it also came with these lashes as well. To be completely honest, I hardly ever wear the lashes that come in with hair, but maybe one day I will. I don't know. They look okay. They look decent. I'm totally obsessed. So I made a wig out of it, and right now I'm actually, it's not glued down or anything like that, just the two of us. I really like it. Like if I put it back, how that streak comes out, I think it's so cute. When I curl it, I'm gonna get that, you know, that one streak in the front like Sierra or like Olivia. Whatever happened to Olivia? If I was your best friend, I want you around all the time. Can I be your best friend? If you promise you will be mine, if you promise you will be mine. He said he's just a friend. Baby, let's not pretend. Either he is or he ain't your man. He said he's just a friend. If I was your best friend. I've had this hair for about a week now. I would say that the texture of it is like coarse, but it's still pretty shiny. As you can see, like there's still sheen to it. It's more of a golden vibe than it is an ashy vibe. I just wanted it like not brassy, because when I first did it, when I dyed it just once, it was very, very, very orange, and I just didn't want to bleach it again because I knew I wanted it to be brown, not blonde. So instead I just toned it instead of bleaching it again, and I really, really like it. The reason why I didn't film an entire tutorial video on it is because this was my first time coloring my hair like this. I'm so impressed because it turned out exactly how I wanted it. There are a few little things that I'd tweak the next time I do it, so it turns out even more perfect and looks even more like professionally colored, you know. So if you guys want to see a video on me dyeing my hair like brownish, you know, getting these like highlights, lowlights, dimensions, and everything like that, definitely let me know, because I have more hair and I could definitely, you know, do it to that hair. By the way, what color should I do next? I'm really loving experimenting with color, and like my next hairstyle I want to be like some sort of color, but I just don't know what color. So let me know, and let me know what you think about this hair. Yeah, I really like the hair so far, so good. You guys let me know if you've ever tried Nadula hair before. What were your thoughts? If not, you can check them out and see what you think for yourself. But that's all for today's video. I love you guys so much. I just wanted to say that I love you guys for real. I love you guys. To the moon and back. Be true to you. Bye. Let's hug. Let's bring it in.